Chapter 3: Understanding Windows 10. Introduction. A computer is made of different parts. It can do many work at a time. For doing work, it requires a manager. The manager in a computer is called the operating system. A computer cannot work without an operating system. Operating system. Operating system is a software that helps us to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface, middleman, between the computer and user. The computer takes some time to load the operating system. This process is called booting. In other words, we can define an operating system that it is a set of instructions which is given to control the functioning of all parts of a computer. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is more attractive with a complete set of new pictures, themes and icons. The best features of Windows 7 and Windows 8 are included in Windows 10. It has an improved search tool Cortana that helps us to find information on our system or on the web directly. We can even give voice commands to this search tool. Has a new Task View button to the right of the search box on the taskbar. This button provides the ability to open multiple desktops at the same time. Windows 10 provides a Windows Store application where we can get a lot of free apps, games and songs. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called Desktop. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Windows Taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into the following sections. The Start button. The Start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When we click on the Start button, the list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. We can use Start button to perform common tasks such as starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer and much more. We can find File Explorer, settings and a list of the most used apps on the left side of the Start menu. To see all apps and programs, select All Apps. Middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the open programs as buttons. Here we can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word program, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in a lighter shade with a bar below it. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as Notification area, that includes a clock and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery, volume, etc. The peek button is present on the extreme right of taskbar. Click this button to minimize all the opened up program windows and view the desktop. Moving the taskbar. The taskbar can be moved to any of the four sides of the desktop. To move the taskbar, take the following steps. Step 1. Place the pointer on the blank area on the taskbar. Step 2. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. Step 3. Now release the mouse button. Locking the taskbar. We can lock the taskbar. That means it will not move to any place until we unlock it. Switch P1. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Step 2. Click on the Lock the taskbar option in the shortcut menu. Step 3. We will notice that the taskbar will not move from its location. Selecting and deselecting icons. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Left-click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key. Click one by one on each of the items to be selected. This way we can select the non-adjacent items. Opening a program. Click the icon which we want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Arranging the desktop icons. As we arrange our study desk to make it tidy, similarly, we can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. We will find list of options. Step 3. Select the View option. Step 4. Click the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. A shortcut menu appears. Step 3. Point to the Sort by option and click the Size sub-option. The icons will be arranged in increasing order of the file size. Changing the desktop background. We enjoy working with Windows as it is user-friendly. We can change the appearance of the desktop background according to our choice in the following way. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. We will find the list of options. This is called Shortcut menu. Step 2. Select the Personalize option. The personalization window will appear. By default, the background option is selected and preview of the current background is displayed in the right pane. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow of the background list box and select any option, picture, solid color, slideshow, from the displayed list. Step 4. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section or click on the Browse button to get more options for the pictures from your computer. Step 5. Select any layout for the background from the Choose a Fit list box. A preview of the selected background will appear in the Preview section. The selected picture will be set as desktop background. Changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an image that pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, we can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Step 2. Click the Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The personalization window will appear. Step 3. Select the Lock Screen option from the left pane. Step 4. Scroll down the vertical scroll bar. Select Screensaver Setting option from the right pane. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Step 5. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Screensaver section and select any screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. Step 6. To watch the preview on full screen, click the Preview tab. We will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Step 7. Move the mouse to get back to the screensaver settings window. Step 8. Set the time in wait box as per our need. Use the up arrow to increase the time and the down arrow to decrease. Step 9. Click OK. Note, we can even get to the screensaver setting directly by typing screensaver in the search box placed on the taskbar. Select the Change Screensaver from the displayed options. The screensaver setting dialog box will open. Shut down the computer. Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select the Power button. Step 3. Select the Shutdown option.